Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and use Chase Bill Pay. So let's get straight into the video. For setting up Chase Bill Pay, what you want to do is to enter your Chase online banking username and password to log into your account, and then you want to click on the Pay and Transfer tab and select Bill Pay. Now you want to enroll in Bill Pay by agreeing to the terms and conditions. Now when it comes to adding pays, what you want to do is to click the Add Pay button to add a new pay, and then you want to enter the pay's name, address, and account number, and then you want to verify the pay's information to ensure accurate payments. Now for scheduling payments, you can just choose the pay that you want to pay, and then you can enter the amounts and select the payment dates. So you can choose the payment frequency. That could be a one-time payment, it could be bi-weekly, it could be weekly, or monthly, whatever. Once you've selected your preferred option, just review the payment details and confirm the payment. Now there are a couple of things you can do as far as managing payment goes. You can view payment history, including the past and upcoming payments. You could also cancel or modify payments at any time. You could also set up payment reminders. So you can set payment reminders to ensure timely payments and all that. So these are things you can do as far as managing payments is concerned. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it, hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps us out a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.